which is kind of the point. And I'm not sure how that's going to look right now on the player, but yeah, we'll see. Bottom center, but it just makes sense to have done this at the start. And yeah, begrudgingly, it's going to change my player. Well, a lot of things on my player script. One thing to note is the collision now needs to go up, which that's fine. Yeah, save it. All right, that looks good. We're doing the ordering stuff now. Yeah, I mean, it just makes sense. I now need to do it to the Shiba, though. So I'm glad I can do this. Because this needed to be done. Bottom center, bottom center, bottom center. Same thing for all of these, because that's essentially where the center of our character is going to lie. Specifically because of the way that we're handling locomotion in our game. It's not a top-down. Okay. Now that's going to be really weird when we start going into things like this, because all of these are going to have, like, the house itself is going to have the same stuff. Okay. So the order in layer for the house should be... So basically what the house should do is the house needs to set everything, set all of the components inside of here. So I guess one way I could do that is a house on start. Sorry, even like on awake. Well, on awake we should generate. And then after we generate, let's give it the XY value maybe. I don't know, man. Private void awake. Let's mess around. Let's just find out, figure it out. I'm fine with that. We're going to generate house. That is going to be a function eventually, I swear, but for right now it's going to be commented out. After that, we're going to order house. Order to the house. Bring order to the house. Order in the house. Bring order to the house. We're going to bring order to the house. And now we're going to define a function for bringing order to the house. It is a private function. No one else needs to know about it. No one else needs to call it. Private void bring order to the house. Something like that. No input. Doesn't matter. And something I hate doing is copying and pasting. But, well, it's one line of code, honestly. It's not like a whole function, but yeah. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to go for each. I think for each is for each bad in Unity still? Is for each bad in Unity still? Yep. Yeah, I got my answer. Yeah, we're just gonna do a for loop. For I equals, yeah, for int, yeah, I equals 0. I is less than transform dot child count. I++. So we're iterating all of the children in the hierarchy. So all of this we're going to iterate over, and everything we're going to check to see if it has a renderer. What we'll do is get transform dot get child I. Yeah, 0, 1, 2, because it is an array. And we're gonna say if transform. Well, we're gonna say sprite renderer, because that's what we're looking for. Sprite renderer. Ooh, maybe this should happen in generation. Yeah, we're gonna say this is generate house. This is going to be a big function though, so I'm already kind of begrudgingly doing this in a way that I know for a fact that generate house is going to be a quite large function. Sprite renderer SR. We'll call it rend just to keep it uniform. You don't like that, do you? Oh, okay. Private. What is private? Just wait, what? Oh, you can't. Duh. Okay, it's already private. It's within scope. Stop, Nuka. What are you doing, dude? Relax. You don't need a private or public like local variables. Okay, if rend equals, if rend equals transform.get child.i.get component we want the sprite render. Sprite render. This basically says if the child here has a sprite render, this collision one does not. Then we want to do stuff. Don't like that. Cannot apply indexing to the expression method group. Get child. Oh, duh. Yeah. Get child at I. There. It is a method. Yeah, there's always like, when I was going through learning programming, syntax killed me. There would be times where I'm like, oh God, what am I like I'm trying to do something like this and I'm like, is this gonna work? Ah, crap. Okay, is this gonna work? Like, how do I program this? Like, is this gonna work? Like, how do I program? And I get it, like syntax is scary. It is. But at the end of the day, it's part of the language, I guess. Like, you know what you want to have happen. It's just daunting to be able to write it properly. And then, like, understand how to find out what the correct syntax is. I think that's a skill in and of itself, to know how to find the right information. If rend is equal to transform get child I component, we want to then rend.set. Oh, we just have the thing here. Go back to trick or treater, Control C. Go back to house, Control V. And then we have an order offset. Might be a little bit weird. This might get weird. I also want everything. Oh man. Like, all of these things, I need to edit them. Can I copy, paste it? Copy, and then put it into art? And then can I edit the sprite? And then can I say center justified? Oh my goddy. And then if I do that and I change the triangle, it's going to shift upwards. Called it! No. fudge. Fudge, 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 fudge. I'm just like a little... Ah, dang it. What? Genitate. Yes, we want to genitate the house. Dude, what does that mean? I feel like I'm saying something disgusting. Genitate, genitate. No, ugh. What does genitate mean? I have to go incognito for this. No, I want to know genitate. No, show me only search results for the word genitate. No, show me. I did not mean generate. Genitate support. Play genitate. What is this? What is genitate? There's actually things. There's even game design stuff. Look. For Genitate Key Store Game Development Course. What? It's kind of weird that this came full circle. I wonder if they're using Unity. That'd be weirder. Ah! They were not using Unity and they were very loud and very rude about it. Okay. God. Generate house. You know, we're gonna have an offset. I don't want to go through and... No. We're not going to fucking have an offset because I don't want to go through every single object and apply some kind of offset until I know if I need it. Because it's going to be a pain in the butt. If that is the case. I'm a little scared that the center point is showing right there for, first of all. You're using this triangle, right? Haha. That's not what we want to do. Your center point actually should be down there. It did work, right? Haha. I see what you're talking about. I was like, wait, what are you talking about? I mean, it is a little dystopic. Welcome. There. Sci-fi, horror games, bug fixing, programming, game development, English. There you go. Put Unity on here. Put Unreal Engine, sure. Unreal Engine. Just put them all. I go between the two. Trick-or-treating is a horror scenario. I do be searching by the Unreal tags. Do you though? I'm curious. I don't think I've ever done that. I don't think I've ever searched for tags before. I don't think I've ever done the tag system. Are we housing the houses? Yeah, I'm... Wait, they're all squares except for this triangle and the other triangle. This is good. Hold up. Wait, everything here is a square except for the circle, right? So famously, I know this is wild. Can you search by tags? I honestly, I just don't know. All right, we're gonna try this order and layer thing. So, well, I do just because I want to learn. Yeah, there you go. Otherwise, I don't think I've ever searched by tags. I usually just go to like the. That makes sense. I didn't search by tags. I just went to the Unreal Engine. Like, when I look for, I just go to the thing. The what is it? Category? Yeah, specific category. In categories? I had no idea. I didn't know that was a thing. We're gonna get a triangle, we're gonna get a circle, and we're gonna get a square. And we're gonna duplicate them and we're gonna bring them home. And we're gonna put them in our project instead of like the Unity imported like default assets thing. Because what I need to do is this circle that I have just put on here needs to be transformed into a better circle. This needs to have a center bottom justified circle. We're gonna apply that shit. And it's gonna move the window up. Then I'm gonna say no. Move it down. Can you get around square? Yeah, it's right here. Oh, like a rounded square? Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Let me go to my prefabs. Let me go to my items. And let me go to UI Sprite. Look at these. I have UI Sprite. There. Isn't that what you always wanted? A rounded square. And then just search the various tags. Oh, well that's a way of doing it that I haven't done before. I want my character to be round square. We had round square. Didn't really work out that well. But if you want a character that's round square, we're going to duplicate this. Let's say Halloween round square. We're going to delete this because we don't need the Shiba anymore, right? Yep, we're deleting the at. Yep. And now we're going to go get our round square. I have no idea where it's located, by the way. Like, uh-oh. Let's go to items again. Rewind. The drop-down arrow, it's just like... It just says good luck. Like, it's not showing me where it's located. Interface object. Oh, we have a 9-slice square. Hey, look at that. Yeah. Let's control C that. There was one there. Okay, let's control V in there. And then what we'll do... We're going to delete all of these. We're going to delete all of this. We're going to save it. And we're going to go to scene. We're going to select our character, and we're going to give it the rounded square. We're going to give it the rounded square. Hate it. I hate it. We got to make it a little smaller. No. I agree with you, Nightbot. No. Oh, 200. Let's, 56. Let's go like 310. I always hate that. This is like not a great way to do this. Let's double the size, actually. At least we can keep it. Yeah, 5. Yeah, that's good. There you go. Bigger? No. No, you get one thing. You get one thing, not many things. Now I simply need to change the player's controller. There it is. And then, oh, this is not Shiba. This is famously round square. There we go. Did it change it in here? Round square. Good. Okay, let's play as round square. Smaller. I mean, I kind of want to say yeah. I will hydrate. And I will stretch. And I will fix my posture. And I'll do everything you've ever wanted in your life. Just you watch. Oh, God damn it. Oh. I can't, man. It hurts so much. I can't look. I can physically not look to the left without feeling pain. The round square demands a sacrifice? Oh my God, what is happening to this stream right now? You think I'm just gonna like put a sacrifice in this game for you? Jesus. My God. Gosh. Oh, I didn't hydrate. Well, famously, we need to set the order in the layer to be less than what we have here. So... I don't like what I'm being asked to do. I hate it. No. 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 Don't do it. I hate it. I'm going off the deep end right about now. So dumb. I hate it. The fuck is that? It's a sacrificial dagger. I got nothing else for you, dude. All nerds need to just accept what you're given, okay? That's not a knife. It's a knife. That's a knife. Thanks, I hate it. It's just a square with a knife. I am over the top right about now. Like, this is just so dumb. I hate this. Alright, we're done. I hate it. But if somebody comes into the stream just now, they'll be like, whoa. Yoko, what the hell are you doing? I have fun. If you can't have fun with development, then what are you gonna do? Dude, this poor Shiba though. What the hell? My god. Barked up the wrong tree, dude. Barked up the wrong tree. Alright. Murpher. That doesn't sound like a good word either. I want to finish this like damn Sprite ordering thing. Because it's actually like a bit of a headache. This is not something I planned on having or doing. We want to generate the house at the beginning. The generate house function is we're going to go through every single child and we're going to get the Y position and set that. Now, essentially, I need to go through, select every square in the picture. You select every single square. Although this can kind of really mess with stuff too, I think. Oh no. Oh no. I think I'm doing this wrong. Off to bed anyways. Oh, goodbye. I hope you dream about squares. Goodbye, my friend. I think what I'm doing is not correct. And instead of doing what I'm doing, I need to add to the current sorting layer. So rend.sorting layer plus. Yeah. So because I'm already gonna have a number and I just need to add to that number at this point. Because that's important. Because go take a shower, be right back. Yeah. I mean, you do you. Go unstink. Nasty. So these all already have like orders in their layer. And essentially what I need to do is add to what they already have. Because they're like, hey, we're already here. They have a relative order and then they have the global order. And we just want to add those two together. Did that not do anything? Oh, right, because BC square. We're gonna call this bottom centered square, and we're gonna call this bottom center circle BC circle, and then a BC triangle. Just so that I know I have the right one. Did it not set? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Oh, it did set. Okay, it did. It just didn't name. Oh my gosh, I have to name it in here. Golly gosh, dude. I just combined two words. It came up with a bad word. Nice. Sprite editor, select this. BC triangle. Cool. Oh. We are so close to Zelda and Chill 3. We have not made it to number 3 before, ever on this stream. But we're almost there. We have 2 more songs, and then we get to Zelda and Chill number 3. And we get to listen to it together, because I haven't listened to it, I think, in a while. Because I think I forgot to add it to my playlists and stuffs. Okay. We only have circle, square, and triangle. That's great. Can we get rid of this awful looking character? Let me get the 9 slice. Let's multiply this by 2. This can actually be a character. It's just a triangle with a knife. What did you expect? There you go. Wait, what? Wait, F. Oh, that was really weird. It didn't give me my pull handle. That was odd. God. Sorry, buddy. Oh. It's so bad. Hey, that's actually pretty hype. Oh, that's good. Can I go behind it? That didn't. Okay, that's not good. Let me go in the play mode. I want to see what it's being set to right now. So if I had 2 houses, I think that's the important thing right now is to ask, what if I had 2 houses? I need to put this in a different... Wait, did I switch all the... I think I did switch everything. But it doesn't look like I did because nothing actually changed position. I changed everything to the BC square. I don't think I changed the BC square. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it! Let me go into the BC square. We're going to select it, and we're actually going to center it like we had said we would. And now that shit. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that does exactly what... Oh, my house. What did you do to my house? I think it just slid down a little. No, it's not as easy as that, I think. It's not as easy as that. Okay, everything else is BC. This, gosh, it's just very disappointing to look at right about now. At least it gives me perspective of like where to put stuff. Like I can at least just grab these and I think pull this down at least. I don't think it's going to be that easy now that I think about it. I think some of these are rotated, maybe. Like this looks rotated. If anything's rotated, it's going to mess it up. Oh, I didn't think about that. Why didn't you tell me about these things, everybody? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, how could you do that? No, it actually didn't. I don't think it actually did.